delivery date where them a have it. So me can print my flyer and print up my baby shower something my love because we outside for this year baby yeah.
Oh God, and I got killed for that one.
Yeah. Godmother. You know how much godmother this a baby have, but trust me, Candy, this is a good look. I'm so happy for you.
And the father them was the godfather then. We are running after them mouth. Call up one Miss Bill.
No, the godfather them not there. My godfather them
Don't let anybody force you or berate you or pressure you into certain things. I don't want the man them to know to say a father is very important in the lives of theirs, to take care of his partner when she's pregnant, to be there for her, to attend to her, to love her, because when he loves her, that will trickle down and translate to the baby. I want the man them to understand, say, listen, you can't treat a baby mother bad. And even if you're a woman left, you have to pity them not left. You have to take care of your youth them. So that when graduation time comes around, you don't feel awkward and feel cute because you never did mind your youth them. Children deserve the best. The best don't necessarily mean material either, let me get that straight. Right? So some people say, my mother have 8 of them will turn out fine. Kudos to your mom. Big up to your mother. But please also understand that having 8 children in 1960 and 8 children in 1970 and 1980 and even 1990 is different from having 8.
Now the lead judge from the 3-judge tribunal who's presiding over Vybz Kartel's appeal. Now this appeal or this 3-judge tribunal will be deciding if Vybz Kartel will be released without any conditions or he will be released and there will still be a retrial, to which fans have objected to. Now she has confirmed that her duty, which she has now sworn an oath to again, is to uphold the Constitution, do her job impartially, and to serve justice. Let me continue Wagwan and they will continue to reason. You can listen.
I, Marvel Angelo MacDonald Bishop, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution of Jamaica, and that I will administer justice to all persons alike in accordance with the laws and usages of Jamaica without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God. I, Marvel Angelo MacDonald Bishop, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities to the people of Jamaica. So help me God.
Now some people point out to me say, just as before now, because when Vybz Kartel's case was first brought to the appeal court, when they appeal the initial trial, one of the 3 judges on that 3-judge tribunal was the then president for the appeal court. Not the president to which Ms. Bishop is now replacing. We are talking about the one who she replace. But now again, one of the 3 judges on the tribunal that is looking over Vybz Kartel's case is again the president of the appeal court. Now she's the first woman to be the president of the appeal court. Major accomplishment for her and her career. Now people are saying, is this good or is this bad? We can't know. Some people are saying promotion are run. What promotion run for? Now this lady has been a judge for a whole years. So that go without question. But some people are saying part of her swearing in, she said, the Constitution. Now something that was brought up when the submissions were being made and whether or not there should or should not be a retrial was the Constitution and the violation of said Constitution if a retrial was granted. Now they must say there were certain special circumstances that would be circumstances where I say, yo, in the aim of justice, certain things has to be done. Just like when a state of emergency is put into place, it puts certain constitutional rights kind of on pause for citizens in the aim of whatever situation the country is dealing with at that moment in time. So they must say there are scenarios like that within the judicial system to where something might be a violation of an individual's constitutional right, but because the aim is to bring justice to everybody, this type of thing has to be done. Now, the prosecution went as far as to say they must have a remedy for that situation, which was bail, which some people have said they don't know. Even the court has said they're not sure if that would be a remedy. Keep in mind, if the retrial take 5 years, or the prosecution look point is that if it even do take 5 years, at least the appellants wouldn't have to be behind the bars. Now what the defense and the appellants are look upon is the fact that the Privy Council has already quashed the previous murder conviction and them still behind the bars now. They are saying to how long the appellants, Vybz Kartel and the others, have been behind the bars, just giving them bail with the hopes of doing a retrial again, them not see it as justice. They must say the cost of a retrial, I will not just talk about the cost to the state. They must say the cost to Vybz Kartel and the other appellants. They must also ask the question to the prosecution. The court asks the question to the prosecution. Where to go cost the state? The state already owe Vybz Kartel some millions. We don't know if the prosecution that consider that at the moment. Say, yo, based on the Privy Council ruling, money have to go pay back. And a taxpayer money that again. Because when I ask how we pay for it, them point out, say, well, everything in the country is what? Paid for by tax dollars. Where only they expect the money to come from. It must be tax dollars. No, the people already have said the $1 billion what the government has said I got help with reconstructions and things like that. If it's $1 billion US, they must say they're not sure if it's gonna be enough. They already talk about how much billions in the agriculture sector, and you name the other sector them. Right now, the country don't want to spend unnecessary money. The people they want hear say the government has spent unnecessary money. These are all things that have to be considered by the 3 judges. The also, if you look upon it from, as I said before, a constitutional standpoint, the mafia look upon it from the standpoint of the appellants. Remember, it is not the judge's job to look upon it from the side of the prosecution. The prosecution is basically representing the laws of the country. Keep that in mind, you know. The prosecution represents the laws of the country. A prosecutor is just the laws of the country present there in court, stating the laws of the country. The judge oversee that and make rulings. So the judge job to look upon it from the standpoint of the prosecution, because them already are look upon it from the standpoint of the law, based on what the law say. That's why some people believe, say, yo, based on, even when them look back and listen back to the submissions, Them no believe that the prosecution had a stronger case. We have to see what go on still. But tell me what you think. Because most people believe say the defense definitely had the stronger submission. The defense crossed all their T's, dotted all their I's, and them forward the stronger reason saying, what you know? Look, we trying to make no sense. Let me you point out say some of the evidence. But the prosecutor, I remember, you know, the evidence, the defense have to know about it. And even for prosecution evidence where them are going to use, the defense has to be made aware. So them can, you know what I mean, talk about it and them thing when them talk about it in an open court. The defense point out say, the evidence of the prosecution need to prosecute are what them did use to prosecute in the initial trial. Some might missing. Some might not dead. And these are things where them need for a retrial. Some people that say it's like them are prepared. It's not like some people that say even if a retrial was granted, it would be something with the defense that win. And it would be a waste of the court's time, court resources, and Vybz Kartel have to spend millions for retain lawyers for no clear reason. If the prosecution clearly has no case. Some people say the prosecution don't glad them have a case because seeing that the conviction was quashed based on what took place to the jury, they must say if the prosecution did have a case before, them still have a case now because of the same case. It's just that the murder conviction was quashed based on what took place to the jury. So everything that was presented in the initial trial, I guess at that, they must say them can present all over again. But the defense I say you them not have everything to present it all over again. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. Is this a waste of resources in light of all our one? Tell me you think about one of the judges, or the lead judge from the three-judge tribunal, now becoming the appeal court president, making it that one of the judges, again, who is presiding over Vybz Kartel's appeal, is the appeal court president. Talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel. Just a pass through, subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right here on the platform, the like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. For check our channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Or we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for you to live, for you to love, and also for you to prosper. If you not subscribe, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and comment.